What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fast Guy Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm not here with the co-pilot Jax, but today we are coming to you live from Agoura Hills, California, USA, with another Wallis Annenberg wildlife crossing update. Dodgers became back-to-back World Series champions yesterday, and today we are celebrating the first birthday of the channel. I want to take a quick minute to thank everybody who's liked, subscribed, commented, donated via Buy Me a Coffee, Super Chat, Super Thanks, all that stuff. You guys are awesome. We do it every day for y'all. It's really been amazing, the community members that we've met and connected with, the mysteries that we've uncovered and solved on a lot of the videos. We're gonna be here for many, many more. So thanks for coming along for the ride in that first year. It's been a few weeks since we've been out here, so there should be some very interesting developments to keep an eye on. On that note, it is chicken and apple time for the boy. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, buy me a coffee, link in the description below. Super chat, super thanks. Give us a sub if you haven't already. Thumbs up the video or thumbs down the video. All that goes a long ways in helping us grow this community and bring y'all this excellent November content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on up there, show you guys what's going down. Peace.